Hey, did y'all know it takes 500 years plus to formulate 1 inch of topsoil? Might want to think about taking care of the planet a little better, huh? Did y'all know a single spoonful of soil contains more organisms than there are people on Earth? A spoonful. Did you know that bees can recognize human faces? Hey, for real, did you know that the Sahara Desert is the same goddamn size as the USA? Roughly? Jeez. I got a question. Where is most of the world's fresh water? Antarctica. Can get deep with that one, right? Anyways. Did you know that sharks existed before trees? Sharks are a crazy animal. Did you know sharks are almost immune to like all diseases? A bolt of lightning can contain up to 1,000,000,000 volts. I don't understand sometimes why we ain't just more interested in what we have. This planet is crazy, and our connection to it is crazy. But we like want a electrical life on some screen. I don't know. Anyways, peace. Love ya.